Good day, everyone. I hope we are fine and hope we are good and hope we are safe. Today, we want to look at the topic borders and shadings. It's a topic for year 2, week 6. Now, let's look at the objective for today's lesson. First, we want to define borders and shadings. Then, we identify where to find borders and shadings, where we can find their commands. Then we identify how to manipulate lines on a table. Okay, now let's get started with borders. The borders command are used to add and remove lines on a document. Borders are used to add and remove lines on a document. To add a border, you have to click on Design tab, then click Borders. The picture below here shows us a typical example of where you can find your borders command. Right on the Design tab, once this is clicked, then you'll go on the right hand side to find borders. Shading. Shading is used to add color to the background of the table. To use shading, you will click on the Design tab, then click Shading. We are going to look at how to add borders and shadings to our tables and our documents. This is a table, and for us to find our borders, a borders command can be found on the Design tab. Make sure you click inside the table first. You wouldn't see this if you don't click that. Example, right now you can't see anything here, but once you click on the table, you find your Design tab. Now in your design tab, you will see borders right here. So click on that arrow under borders, then scroll down to where you can find borders and shading. Please make sure you launch Microsoft Office Word to see this happen. Office Word 2016 is good. Microsoft Office Word 2019 is okay too. Now when you see borders and shading, you click on that, it will bring out a dialog box. This is what you use to do your work. Now I can decide to remove lines according to the document, according to the slide, that we can use borders to add and remove lines. Now because my insertion point is on Abdul, anything I do will affect only Abdul. Now this is what I mean. If I click on this, means this is a straight line, and when I click on a cell, click OK, the lines will be added. Now if I want to remove anything here that concerns any line that concerns Abdul, that the top line, right line, bottom line, the left line, I'll go to arrow here, see the bottom line. Once I click on bottom line for Abdul, it removes that line. Once I go back there and click at top, it removes the top line for Abdul. Same thing for left, it takes it off. Then for right, it takes it off. So Abdul, there's no line around Abdul right now. But if I need it back, I can just go back to all borders. All borders will bring everything back. Alright, that's good. So I'll go back to borders and shading to illustrate something for you to see. Now here we can decide to also add different kind of lines to this work. Now if I want to change the line, I can come down here where I have triple line and click on triple lines, or I choose a different kind of line. See, these are different types of lines. I'll just choose any. I would like you to exercise your curiosity. Choose different types of lines there, then apply to the table. And if it applies to the table, you see the table has a different kind of line. Same thing for shading. If I go to shading, I click on the arrow, it gives me colors. Now because I've selected only Abdul at this moment, it's going to only color the part that involves Abdul. I'm going to shade that place. So shading is adding a background color to the table. If I don't want that to be on Abdul, if I want to be if I want it to be on the entire table, I'll click on this arrow here, then change the color to a particular color I want. Okay, so you can exercise yourself by choosing various kinds of colors and borders for your work. Thank you very much, and I hope you have learned today. I want you to exercise this until you get it. Remember, borders and shading commands are found on the Design tab. Attempt your quiz, and I'll see you next week. Do have a nice day.